Good morning, one and all. In this session, we discuss about resistor are connected in series combination. Now, first of all, what is meant by resistor? What is meant by resistor? Resistor, it is a conducting wire which is oppose the flow of current, which is oppose flow of current, flow of current. Resistor is nothing but it is a one conducting wire which oppose the flow of current in the circuit. Now, according to Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR, then R equal to V by I. V by I. V by I. What is the units here? Units, the potential difference or voltage units is SI units, volt. What is the unit of current in SI system? It is ampere. Or one scientist name is there, it is Ohm. Ohm. Resistor which is oppose the flow of current in the circuit. According to the Ohm's law, V equal to IR, then R equal to V by I. The units of resistance is in SI system volt for ampere or ohm. Now, in this situation, we calculate the what is the effective resistance or resistors are connected in series. Symbol of resistor. Symbol. This is the resistance symbol. The symbol we use of resistor in the circuit. Now, I take the three resistors. This is the one resistor, second one, and third one. These are three resistors. The resistance of first resistor is R1. This resistance is R2. This resistance is R3. These are all connected to terminals of the battery. This is the positive terminal. This is the negative terminal. Positive and negative. Now, in this circuit, current drawn from high potential to low potential. The current. These three resistors are connected in series. In series combination, throughout the circuit, the current amount of current is constant. I constant. I constant. But potential difference across the each resistor is divided. Is divided. Now across the first resistor is V1 potential. The total potential of the battery is V. Across the second resistor is V2 and third resistor is V3. Now potential drop. What is the potential drop across the first capacitor? First resistor is V1, second resistor is V2, third resistor is V3. Now observe according to Ohm's law V equal to IR. IR. Now potential drop across the first resistor is equal to I R1. Why? Because I am writing I, the total amount of current through first resistance, second resistance, third resistance is same. That's why I write the amount of current is constant. But resistance is variable R1, R2, R3. Now in second V2 potential drop across the second capacitor is I R2 and third capacitor is potential drop across the third resistor is IR3. Now the total potential value of a battery is divided into three parts, V1, V2 and V3. Now according to Ohm's law V equal to IR, What is the V1 here? Potential drop across the first resistor is IR1 and second resistor is IR2 and third resistance is IR3. Now in this in these terms I is common, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now both side I get cancelled. The effective resistance when three resistors are connected in series combination, the effective resistance is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now we calculate the n resistors. N resistors. These resistors are R1. N resistors of resistance R1, R2, R3 up to so on Rn. These are connected in series combination. Then effective resistance of these n resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to so on plus Rn. Rn. Observe once again, resistors are connected in series. First of all, we discuss what is meant by resistor. A resistance is a conducting wire which opposes the flow of current in the circuit. By according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR, then R equal to V by I. The SI units of resistance is SI. The potential difference or voltage units is volt. The unit of current is ampere. Or another unit is there, that is ohm. This is the symbol of resistance using in the circuit. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Now I take the three resistors are connected in series combination. These three resistors are connected across the terminals of the battery. Now we remember in the series combination throughout the circuit, amount of current is constant. The potential difference each resistor is divided. Now potential difference across the first capacitor is V1 equal to first resistor V1 equal to IR1. Then potential difference across the second resistor is V2 equal to IR2. Potential difference across the third resistor V3 equal to IR3. Now total amount of potential divided into three parts, V1 plus V2 plus V3. Then IR equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. In this equation, the I is common term. So then I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then I get cancelled. R effective is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Suppose the n resistors are connected in series combination, the resistors of resistance R1, R2, R3 up to so Rn, then effective resistance is R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to so on